Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life Real Life, and I am here with part 2 of the Blessing Box Mail, or the Blessing Mail from Miss Lorraine Barton. Now, y'all be sure to check out her channel if you have not done so already, and her description, link to her channel will be left in the description box below. Please do me a favor, if you like any of my videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. Ring the little bell so you know when I have more up. And I will be having, crossing fingers, more Michael's hauls coming up next. I have several videos pre-recorded, ready to go for when my daughter gets here. And we will be working and cleaning on my craft room. So, I know you already know that for the ones who have been around any length. Anyone who is new, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. Now, I'm going to try to make this real quick. So, she is overblessed to me. So, I'll do the best I can, but no promises. Y'all know I love my talking. And the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is, if you do not know from the previous video, Miss Lorraine loves her gnomes. Is that not the cutest little thing? She's got her little geese. And on this side, she's got a cute little peppermint. And yes, I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that word. Me and my southern language, it would not even work. But thank you for that. It is so cute, sweetheart. Thank you. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. She has wrapped everything up, and this says Happy Valentine's Day. And I'm not going to try to take it out of the package, but she has given me a lot of blue chenille stems, or as some call, pipe cleaners. Can y'all see all those? She's got them in the dark and the light blues. Thank you, honey. And oh my goodness, she has put me in a lot of blue and white and light blue and dark blue pom-poms. I think Lorraine knows me just a little bit. Actually, at this point, I think y'all all know me a little bit. And oh my goodness, the pom-pom paper clips. Thank you. Oh my gosh. And then she has gifted me some trims in these awesome IKEA Ziploc bags. Y'all, we don't have an IKEA here. I'm shocked. I'm surprised we have not gotten one in Hoover. But these are awesome Ziploc bags, number one. I'm sorry. I'm like Mel when it comes to Ziploc bags. I love them. I reuse them. I keep them. And look at this. Holy moly. Let me move the bag, because this is gorgeous. Oh, honey. Ho, ho, ho. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to work with it. Okay. I mean, it looks like bags after bags. Okay, now I know this one. I know this one because she had sent some of this to Miss Judy in her challenge. And y'all, this stuff, I don't know where in the world. I'm sure we talked about it, but how in the world did you find something that gorgeous? We had wondered if she had actually made this, because I have never seen anything like this. Is that not awesome? Cannot wait to use that. And I'm a little nervous. I'm going to have to be careful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is heavy. Now I got to figure out just the right thing to use it for. Oh my gosh. These are like glass beads, y'all. On this ribbon. Do you see that? That is seriously weight. And gorgeous. Oh my gosh, woman. You and I talked, and I mean, you just... You said you're not going to listen, but neither does Denise either. Oh my gosh, now we've got the blue. Like the gold here. Now we've got it in blue and gold. Okay, I'm in love. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh, I got to go quicker. Okay. Because this one's going to last forever if I do not. Because y'all know me, am I talking? Ooh. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Oh my God. You're going to have to tell me again where you found all this? You know my brain. It don't, like, memory does not last long. Do you see all these gorgeous tassels? Oh, look. I wonder if y'all are even getting the colors. It is just a complete rainbow of gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm so blessed to have this because this is not something that I would normally see anywhere. I have never seen anything like this. And then look at these earth tones. Just more beauty. Look. It's even got the wire bead at the bottom. And this is like felt ribbon. Oh my gosh. Is that not just absolutely gorgeous? And it's got the orange and the golds and the browns. Oh, honey. This is going to go into a specialty box. And then look, she has sent me a lot of chipboard pieces. I'm not going to pull them all out. I'm going to see if I can spread some so you can see more. But there is floral and butterflies. Well, I apologize. I know the noise is... Oh my gosh, look at that gorgeous rose. And I'm hoping I'm not giving y'all glare. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is like one of those... It's like one of those scarves. My gosh. Not only do I almost want to wear it, but at the same time, it's like, do I craft with it? Do I wear it? What do I do? And look how it stretches. My gosh, it goes from, let's see if I can share. I apologize. It goes from this size to that size. Y'all see the difference? My gosh. Now I know that is just gorgeous. It's got these little gold, can you see the little gold flakes? Oh my. And we're not even done. Okay, I gotta speed this up. Oh my gosh, she has sent me paper. You were not supposed to send me paper back. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to try to go through each one, but it's garden related. And it's beautiful, and I have nothing like this. Look at that. Look. That is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Woman, I'm going to tell you like I told Denise. We're going to have to meet somewhere in the middle. And then I'm going to have to bring my paddle with me. That's what I tell Denise all the time. Don't make me bring my paddle. Oh my God. Look at that. Those are some absolutely gorgeous napkins. My gosh, I'm just like overwhelmed. Okay. I'm on my final bag. Yep, that's an IKEA bag. See, like I said, I don't have an IKEA. But look how big that is. I want more of these IKEA bags. These are awesome. Look. Miss Deborah blessed me with a little bit of samples of some eyelash trim. But I'm just going to lay this out so y'all can see. I'm not going to go through each and every one. But look at all this gorgeous trim. Oh my gosh, that might be my favorite color blue. Oh my gosh. But if I've got extra, I hope you don't mind. I'm going to bless a sweet, sweet friend. This has got the little gold pieces in it too. Some pink eyelash trim with different colors of blue. Oh my gosh. Okay, yes, this has been Christmas and Christmas over. That when it actually, I can think of one other color that I want to go purchase myself. Maybe three. Other than that, I am set when it comes to eyelash trims now. Nope, I see one. No, yeah. Okay. And white and pink and purple and oh my gosh, that is like the most gorgeous peacock turquoise color I have ever seen. And yes, I mean, this is more than I can use, and I'm so grateful. Please do not think, and we'll talk, because I've already told you, after I record, I'm going to call you back. That is just so unique. I have not seen it. I'm just trying to pile this up. Y'all, honey, you've overwhelmed me. Look, that's actually a rainbow one. I knew you said you was going to bless me with some, but you have added more than what you were supposed to. You have surprised me. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the black. Yes, please. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And I'm not even done, so I'm trying to hurry, y'all. I apologize, but at the same time, you know what? I'm not going to deny that she's a blessing to me, and she deserves to be seen of how much she blesses me. Not just me, others. Did y'all see what she did for Miss Judy with Scrapbook Loft? I mean, oops. She just, I mean, she's got some serious talent. Look at these two gorgeous blues. One's sparkly, this one's sparkly, and this one's not. Oh my gosh. Do you see my table? Okay, I'm going to pull this down. All y'all going to see is just eyelash trim. Enjoy. It's an eye fest. It's an eye fest. Look. Oh my gosh. Yes, honey. I've got to share some of this. You have blessed me so much. I'm not going to cry, but I want to. More. More. And more. And, oh my gosh. I am beside myself. And last but not, nope. There's the brown. I think I have every color I could ever possibly want. Take that back. Like I said, there's three more I want, and they're the basics. But other than that, holy moly, it feels so good. I actually want to go spread this out on my bed and sleep on it. It is so soft, so wonderful. I just saw a sticker. I had no idea. I do not go there very often. I do sometimes. But now I'm fixing to go check out Big Lots. So thank you for that. I hope y'all have enjoyed the videos. I hope y'all have enjoyed the Michael's grab bags. I hope you have enjoyed this blessing box after blessing, after blessing, after blessing. And now I'm going to let it go and end it because I think even my hands look pink compared to all these colors. So, okay, y'all. I'm going to let you go. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. I hope to have this uploaded first thing in the morning. And then, hopefully and pray, cross fingers, I get to go to Michael's and show y'all some more goodies. Cross fingers. Love y'all. Wish you the best always. Mwah. Have a great night.